In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an email from Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, locate the email you want to download and click on it to open the message. After opening the email, take a moment to verify that you're viewing the correct message. This helps ensure that you're downloading the exact email you want to keep or archive. Once you're sure it's the right message, look at the top right corner of the email near the reply icon. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent the More Options menu. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, select Download Message. Gmail will then begin the process of downloading the email to your computer. After selecting the download option, your browser will open your file manager window. On Windows, this will usually be File Explorer, and on Mac, it will be Finder. This window allows you to choose where the email file will be saved. Select the folder where you want to store the downloaded email. If needed, you can also edit the file name before saving it. Once you've chosen the location and confirmed the file name, click Save to complete the download. After clicking Save, the email will be downloaded as a .eml file. You can monitor the download using your browser's download indicator, which usually appears in the top right corner of the browser or in the downloads bar. Once the download finishes, open your downloads folder or the folder you selected earlier. You should see the .eml file there. This file contains the full email message, including its content and headers, and it can be opened later using compatible email applications. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.